It was all on my lucky car. Never gonna wash it, she's gone too far. And then this song's gonna make me a star. I got a call just the other day. Brother got mad, what'd he have to say? I said, "Ho, activity." She thought that I never knew what she was going to do. Her and my man all stuck like glue. Her boyfriend beat me up in the first grade, but he treats her very great. She doesn't seem to appreciate. I hope my man is happy then. He's the type to give in. You two just enjoy that sin. I'll go ahead and date your boyfriend. And that's how lucky my car is. That's how lucky my car is. And that's how lucky my car is.